Hey guys, welcome back. So I decided to show you guys how I do my Frenches. A lot of people have been asking since I released them. I've had a ton of questions about how I do my Frenches, so I decided to show you guys. So really quick, I'm just going to show you what I use. And I did just switch over to Medusa nails. And I love their product. I love Young Nails as well, so it's definitely your preference, but I do highly recommend a gel paint because it's so pigmented and it stays in place. And then you'll just need both of those brushes or similar, a liner brush and then like a cleanup type brush, which I'm going to be using to paint the rest of the French on, because I don't paint it all on with a liner brush because that's a lot to do. And then that's really it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. I'm more of a visual learner, which I'm sure a lot of you are as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, let me know down below how I can help you more or how I can improve on this video, or if you're confused in any type of way. Thank you guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I was able to help you guys. And then I left a few pictures at the very end to just show you guys what these look like applied. Once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how I can help you more or anything else you guys would like to see. Thanks guys, bye.